Looking for the perfect knife set for your kitchen? Whether you're a beginner or a pro, having the right knives can make cooking much easier and enjoyable. If you are looking for the best knife set available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. The 5th product on this list is the Cangshan HELENA series. The Cangshan HELENA series is a high-quality 12-piece collection knife set designed to meet all your kitchen needs. This set includes essential knives like an 8-inch chef's knife, a 7-inch santoku knife, an 8-inch bread knife, a 5-inch serrated utility knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife. Additionally, it comes with honing steel, 9-inch forged shears, and 4 5-inch fine-edge steak knives, all stored neatly in a solid acacia wood block. Crafted with precision, the knives are made from German steel, known for their durability, stain resistance, and excellent edge retention. The blades are sharpened to a precise 16-degree angle, ensuring smooth, clean cuts every time. Each knife is fully forged with a full tang, meaning the blade extends through the handle for extra strength and balance. One of the standout features of the Cangshan HELENA series is its slim, ergonomic handles. These handles are designed to fit comfortably in your hand, offering a secure grip and reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This makes the knives feel like an extension of your hand, making food preparation more effortless and enjoyable. The set also comes with a lifetime warranty, protecting against defects in materials or craftsmanship. With its exceptional craftsmanship, durability, and precision, the Cangshan HELENA series knife set is an excellent addition to any kitchen, combining both style and performance. The 4th product on this list is the WÜSTHOF Gourmet series. The WÜSTHOF Gourmet series offers a complete collection of high-quality knives that will make any kitchen task easier and more efficient. This set includes a variety of knives such as a paring knife, a utility knife, 4 steak knives, a bread knife, a cook's knife, and a 15-slot block for convenient storage. Each knife is crafted with precision using high-carbon stainless steel, ensuring razor-sharp blades that hold their edge for longer periods. These knives are laser-cut for exceptional sharpness, which makes slicing and chopping effortless. The triple-riveted synthetic polypropylene handles are not only comfortable to hold, but also resistant to fading, discoloration, heat, and impact, ensuring durability and longevity. The set comes in a beautiful beech wood color, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Additionally, WÜSTHOF knives are designed to resist corrosion and dulling, making them a reliable choice for years of use. The knives are hand-washed only to maintain their pristine condition. Founded in Solingen, Germany over 200 years ago, WÜSTHOF has built a reputation for excellence in craftsmanship. With a limited lifetime warranty, this knife set is a valuable addition to any kitchen, combining centuries of tradition with modern cutting-edge technology. Still haven't found the best knife set for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Calphalon Classic Self-Sharpening Cutlery. The Calphalon Classic Self-Sharpening Cutlery set is an excellent choice for both professional chefs and home cooks looking for high-quality kitchen knives. This 12-piece set includes all the essential knives for any cooking task, including an 8-inch chef's knife, a 6-inch serrated utility knife, a 5-inch santoku, a 4.5-inch paring knife, and 6 steak knives. It also comes with a set of kitchen shears and a sharpening knife block that keeps your knives in top condition. One of the standout features of this set is the built-in ceramic sharpeners in the knife block. These sharpeners automatically sharpen the straight-edge knives every time they are taken out or placed back into the block, ensuring your blades stay sharp without the need for manual sharpening. The knives themselves are made from forged, high-carbon, no-stain steel, which gives them strength and durability. The full tang design ensures better balance and control while using the knives. The knives in this set also feature triple-riveted handles that are ergonomically contoured for a comfortable, secure grip. Each handle is clearly labeled for easy identification, making it simple to grab the right knife when you need it. Additionally, this set is covered by a full lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind that your knives are built to last for years. The 2nd product on this list is the Ninja Foodi NeverDull. The Ninja Foodi NeverDull is a premium knife set designed to elevate your kitchen experience with top-notch performance and ease of use. Featuring high-quality German stainless steel blades, these knives are durable, rust-resistant, and strong enough to handle a variety of kitchen tasks. Whether you're chopping vegetables, slicing meat, or preparing delicate ingredients, these knives glide effortlessly through them with precision. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodi NeverDull set is its built-in sharpener. The NeverDull technology, integrated into the storage block, ensures that your knives remain sharp for years. With just a simple swipe on the outside lever of the block, the dynamic stone sharpening wheel restores your blades to their razor-sharp condition. This technology makes home sharpening easy and foolproof, so you can enjoy a consistently sharp edge without any hassle. The knives are designed with comfort in mind. The ergonomic handle provides a balanced and secure grip, making it feel like a natural extension of your hand. This professional quality construction enhances your control while cutting, so every slice is accurate and smooth. With a full-tang design, the handles are built for durability and strength, giving you a weighty yet comfortable feel when in use. Overall, the Ninja Foodi NeverDull knife set offers professional-grade performance. Before we reveal the top knife set on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top knife set is the Dalstrong Shadow Black Series. The Dalstrong Shadow Black Series combines both style and performance to enhance any kitchen. Designed with a sleek and aggressive look, these knives are more than just tools. They make a bold statement in the kitchen. Their aesthetic is matched by their top-tier performance, making them a must-have for both professional chefs and home cooks. Crafted from high-carbon super steel, these knives offer exceptional durability and edge retention. The blades undergo a vacuum heat treatment, ensuring they hold their sharpness over time. Each knife is hand-finished using the Hanbazuk method, giving it a scalpel-like edge that allows for precise cuts. The addition of a titanium nitride non-reflective coating provides corrosion resistance, adding to the longevity of the knives. The ergonomic handle is designed for maximum comfort and control. Made from fiber resin and military-grade D10, it is resistant to heat, cold, and moisture. The handle's geometry fits perfectly in the hand, providing a secure grip for precise cutting. With a full tang blade and an offset handle, these knives are well-balanced and easy to handle. This set includes a variety of knives that cover every kitchen task, from a chef's knife to steak knives and a honing rod. All are stored in a stylish oak wood knife block, which not only keeps the knives safe, but also adds an elegant touch to your kitchen. The Dalstrong Shadow Black Series is a powerful addition to any kitchen, offering reliability, comfort, and a sleek design. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.